Hello lovely peoples, good evening and welcome to our channel Nice TV. So today winter has already arrived and I think the weather is very cold, so I want already a snake high neck. So guys, output devices are very important for our daily basis uses, and that's the reason today I gonna suggest you a good quality keyboard which is I already used, and this keyboard is very preferable because its services and its quality. You can easily without any hesitation use this keyboard almost 2 to 4 years. I can ensure about that. And the brand of this keyboard is Habit. Habit is very popular and very renowned brand. I hope you know about this. Habit KB271 USB executive keyboard. You can type English and Bangla on this keyboard. And so this is the Habit keyboard, guys. So the price of this keyboard is only 500 taka. Only 500 taka you will get this good quality keyboard very easily. Stock available, yes. Model number is very important, you need to know, because there are a lot of model in the market of this Habits keyboard, but this keyboard, this KB271 is very good quality and good configurations. And this is streamlined ergonomic design, ultra slim noise proof design, waterproof design. This keyboard is waterproof, guys. This mind it, okay? Remember that. Interface USB, number of keys 104. So type is wired keyboard. Definitely this is not wireless keyboard, this is wired keyboard. And the wired is keys 104 keys, cable length 1300 interface USB, color black, dimension 438 warranty 1 year warranty. Guys, 1 year warranty they will provide you with this keyboard. And this Habit KB270 USB executive keyboard with Bangla comes with 4 streamless and innovative designs, elegant and beautiful, easily interchangeable keys and not too easy to fade. Waterproof design. So warranty 1 year is enough, but I can ensure you about that you can easily use this keyboard almost 2 to 4 years. Remember, because I already use this keyboard, and this Habit keyboard is very good. You can see on my hand I already use this keyboard, and this keyboard is very good, okay? So this is Habit keyboard, and I really preferred this keyboard a lot. So, sorry guys for sorry for that. And this is our today's video. Please stay connected.